Hey, my name is Demi and you're watching Demi TV. The goal of this video channel is to help you awaken your inner alpha so you could follow your dreams and find your authentic voice. And today we are going to talk about how to get more clients on Facebook groups. So you might already be wondering that a lot of people are actually getting a lot of clients on Facebook groups because this is a very rich resource where you could actually network to a lot of people, build relationships with them, and make them your clients. So how can you effectively do this without actually becoming notorious? Without further ado, years ago, I got my very first client in a Facebook group that I did not expect of being, because that was the first time that I pulled myself out from the Fire community because the competition has just have been so heavy. So I pulled myself out in the Fire community, and then I found my very first client in a Facebook group. Ta-da! So how can you actually build relationships with your client and effectively do Facebook group marketing without becoming notorious? The first thing that you need to do, of course, is to join relevant Facebook groups, okay? So you should not join Facebook groups just because, okay? You're going to join Facebook groups about relationship, about personal development. You have to make sure that you know your ideal client, what they are, where they are hanging out, what could be the possible Facebook groups that they're in. So say, for example, your target client is an entrepreneur who is already thriving in the business, maybe earning 5 to 6 figures a month already. So how are you going to find them? You have to join groups about entrepreneurs and social media marketing and digital marketing, because most of the time they are these people that are earning 5 to 6 figures. Now, how did I know about all these things? It's because I'm doing a lot of research. You just have to Google and type in what could be the questions that you could ask in order to find out where is this client hanging out. You just have to make sure that you know your client very well so that you could also join relevant Facebook groups, okay? So that is your first thing to do. The second one is you have to make sure that you are building relationships, okay? You cannot just go in the Facebook group and say, hey, this is what I'm offering. I'm a graphic designer, I'm a web designer, I'm a video editor, and this is what I do. Come to me. I will do everything for you for just this price. It's notorious marketing, and a lot of people don't like people that are like that because you are oftentimes compared to this lazy salesman knocking on the door every single day just to get clients. And you don't want that, right? You have to make sure that you are building this authority, professional way of finding clients because you want them to trust you and you want them to make sure that you are a friendly little kiddo. With all the kidding aside, I'm actually very stressed right now because my throat is not feeling very well, but I'm still recording this video so I could help you. Okay, so after you build relationships with these people in the Facebook groups, you're not just going to randomly add them all, right? You have to make sure that you are providing value to the group, you are helping people inside the group, and then later on, these people would find you, oh, she is a very valuable person in the group. She has been helping a lot of people, and I like people that are like that. So this person, these people who have found you in the Facebook groups, they will add you without even forcing them to, okay? You don't want to waste your time adding people, blah, 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 and go, oh, this person, add them. This person, I'll add them. So it's not going to be efficient and profitable as much as you can because you are not actually building a relationship. And that's not cool. So the first thing that you have to do is to make sure that you are adding value to the Facebook group after you have joined. You're adding value. You're helping people of what you know. So say, for example, somebody asks, where can I find this thing? And then you give them the link about something. So you are actually becoming a helpful person inside the group. And people will see you that you are a valuable person. You're helping a lot of people. You're giving value for free. You're working for free. Not literally working for free with your services, but at least you are helping other people for free. That's what I'm trying to say. And that is a very attractive gem. Okay, you will become a very attractive person in the group. And then a lot of people will come adding you. And then that will come to a point that they will see your very own Facebook posts. And you are also curating your Facebook posts, personal Facebook posts, in a way that will help you attract your clients. So how am I doing this? Personally, I'm using my Facebook account, my personal Facebook account, to actually promote my things, but not in a way that, hey, I'm on a sale, this is my prices. I don't want to turn off people like that. So how am I doing it? Is I am creating things, I am designing things, I am creating websites, and then I will create a fun video that I can upload to my personal Facebook account and then let other people see it. So that's how easy it is. You just show them what you've got. You just show them your talent, what you can do, what you cannot do. Sometimes your vulnerability is also a very important asset in the community. And you just become true to yourself, okay? You should not upload things that you haven't done. You should become very vulnerable and true, because a lot of people are attracted to people who are true. So just be you. And make sure that you also upload things in your personal Facebook account that is about your business. So say, for example, you type in, I have just uploaded a new theme for my website portfolio. If you want to check it out, here's a link. But with no attachments on the side, okay? You're not going to upload your work and things and your design and all that kind of stuff, and what you can do, what you cannot do, with the expectation that you are going to get a client every single time you post something. It's not going to be like that. You have to make sure that you're still building relationships on the side while you are doing this, okay? So basically, you will come to a point of conclusion that a Facebook group is just a tool. It's not going to be your one-way ticket to the moon, that when you enter a Facebook group, that would already be the yes to everything you do, okay? The Facebook group is just going to be a tool. You build relationships with it. You're not going to spam the Facebook groups with what you are offering. That is notorious marketing, and a lot of people don't like that. You have to make sure that you're building trust, you're building value to the group. Make sure that the person actually knows, likes, and trusts you, because until then, they will never buy from you. Okay? So if this video has helped you, make sure to let me know by hitting the like button. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Tinker that bell button so you wouldn't miss a video of me talking about personal development, online business tactics like this one, and tech tutorials. Don't forget to follow your dreams and find your authentic voice, and always, always awaken your inner alpha. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.